What is jurisdiction in domestic violence cases? Imagine a situation where someone faces abuse at home, and they want legal help. Who has the power to step in and make decisions? That's where jurisdiction comes into play. It's about which court has the authority to handle the case. Jurisdiction in domestic violence cases means the legal power of a court to hear and decide issues like protective orders, criminal charges, or custody disputes related to domestic violence. It's not just about any court, but the right court based on where the incident happened, who is involved, and what kind of relief is needed. In family law, courts that deal with domestic violence often include family courts, circuit courts, or magistrate courts. Sometimes more than one court can handle the case, which is called concurrent jurisdiction. For example, family courts usually have exclusive control over child abuse or neglect cases involving family members. Other courts might handle misdemeanor domestic violence crimes or requests for protective orders involving household members. Jurisdiction depends on a few key factors. First is subject matter jurisdiction, which means the court must have the authority over domestic violence issues like criminal charges or civil protection orders. Then there is personal jurisdiction, which relates to the court's power over the people involved, usually based on where they live or where the abuse took place. Sometimes, different courts share authority, known as concurrent jurisdiction, giving victims options for where to seek help. Exclusive jurisdiction means only certain courts, like family courts, can decide on specific issues such as child abuse or neglect. When domestic violence cases involve parties in different states, laws like the Uniform Child Custody Jurisdiction and Enforcement Act help decide which state's court should handle the case. This law prioritizes the safety of victims and the best interests of children. Courts can also decide not to take a case if another court or state is better suited to handle it. This is called declining jurisdiction. It often happens if the safety of the victim is at risk or if another court can provide better protection. Understanding where a case can be heard is vital because it ensures victims get the right protection at the right time. It also helps courts apply the correct laws based on where the abuse happened and who is involved. Family courts play a key role in managing domestic violence cases by issuing protective orders, making custody decisions, and handling related family matters.